Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Row Vlog. So today I'm outside from my home as you can see. So here I'm just for making the vlog. Today I will show you different tree. This is what tree? I don't know. Let it be. It's a guava tree and I'm going my farm side so that I will show you my crops. Okay, my dog is also coming. Hey Buzo, come. He's also coming with me. I don't know why he used to know like I'm going this side, so he used to come. As usual, if you used to watch my videos, then you can see. And guys, my father said to me today, like if you will free, then go farm side so that I can see the crops. Like there is a lack of water, so that's why I'm here to see that. Hey Buzo, come. He's also coming with me. He will also want some freshness, fresh air. So that's why he's coming. Oh, one day, I think 7 to 8 months ago, what happened? I was just running with my brother. He used to come also with us, so he was coming very fastly. So I just fall down here in this farm. I think he is drinking water. Buzo. As you can see guys, this is our crops and here you can see there is no water. He is coming. Where are you going? I think he is looking monkey. Oh, it's evening time guys. As you can see, it's I think 6 o'clock. As you can see, next up me is a road, so that's why the voice is coming from that side. And let's discuss something. Nowadays I'm doing one thing, like after having my dinner I used to spend 10 to 15 minutes with itself so that I can talk to myself. That time I used to talk about my communication, like whatever I have done in my day I used to share with itself so that I can practice about my English, because practice is much important than other things, because if I will practice then only my communication will improve. So that is the reason I am just doing this thing. And also I used to watch some YouTube English cartoon videos or anything, some other vloggers I used to watch, so that I can get some ideas about that and I can make the video. And the thing guys, yeah, that's it is going in my life or related to English. And other thing is also going, but that is other thing from the vlogging, you can say.